Have you ever wondered what it feels like to wake up knowing you're in control of your financial future? Imagine no longer stressing over bills or unexpected expenses and having the freedom to live life on your terms. Sounds incredible, right? Well, achieving that kind of financial freedom isn't just a dream, it's a plan. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to create your very own roadmap to financial independence, step by step. Stick with me, because by the end of this, you'll have everything you need to take the first step toward a stress-free financial future. What is financial freedom? So, what exactly is financial freedom? It's more than just having a lot of money. It's about having the ability to live life on your own terms. It means you're no longer tied to the stress of paycheck-to-paycheck living, and you can focus on the things that truly matter to you, whether that's traveling, spending time with family, or pursuing your passions. Financial freedom isn't one-size-fits-all either. For some, it might mean retiring early. For others, it could mean having enough passive income to cover everyday expenses. But here's the key. It's not about luck or hitting the lottery. It's about creating a clear plan that helps you reach your personal goals. And the good news, you can start building that plan today. In the next few minutes, I'm going to show you exactly how to create a roadmap that works for your unique situation. Step 1. Understand your current financial situation. Before you can plan your journey to financial freedom, you need to know exactly where you're starting from. Think of it like using a GPS. You can't map out the route without entering your current location. Start by taking a close look at your finances. How much money do you have coming in each month? What are your regular expenses? And most importantly, what debts and savings do you currently have? This might sound overwhelming, but don't worry. It's just about getting clarity, not perfection. A simple way to start is by listing your income and your top 3 biggest expenses. You might notice patterns or areas where you're overspending, and that's okay. It's all part of the process. The goal here is to understand your money flow so you can take control of it. And if you're not sure where to begin, consider using a budgeting app or even a basic spreadsheet. The clearer you are about your starting point, the easier it will be to create a roadmap that fits your life. Step 2. Set clear, achievable goals. Now that you know where you're starting from, it's time to figure out where you're going. This step is all about setting clear, achievable financial goals. Without a destination, it's impossible to create a roadmap. Start by asking yourself, what does financial freedom look like for you? Maybe it's paying off your student loans, saving for a down payment on a house, or building enough passive income to retire early. Whatever it is, your goals need to be specific and realistic. Here's a simple framework to help. Think SMART, specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. For example, instead of saying, I want to save money, try, I want to save $10,000 over the next 2 years by setting aside $400 a month. This way, you have a clear target to aim for and a timeline to keep you accountable. Remember, your goals don't have to be perfect or set in stone. They just need to reflect what's most important to you right now. Once you have them, they'll act as your North Star, guiding every decision you make along the way. Step 3. Build a customized budget. With your goals in place, it's time to create a budget that helps you achieve them. Think of your budget as the engine that powers your financial roadmap. It's what turns your plans into action. Start by dividing your income into 3 categories: needs, wants, and savings. A simple rule to follow is the 50-30-20 rule. Allocate 50% of your income to essentials like housing, groceries, and utilities. Then, 30% goes to things you enjoy, like dining out or hobbies. Finally, the last 20% is reserved for savings and paying down debt. But here's the thing. This is just a starting point. Your budget should work for you, not the other way around. If your goals require more aggressive saving, adjust the percentages. For example, you might aim to save 30% and cut back on discretionary spending. The key to making your budget stick is tracking it consistently. Check in every week to see how you're doing and make small adjustments if needed. Remember, A good budget isn't about restriction. It's about prioritizing what matters most to you and making steady progress toward your financial freedom. Step 4. Explore passive income opportunities. One of the most powerful tools on your journey to financial freedom is passive income. This is money that keeps coming in with little to no effort after you've set it up. Essentially, it's your money working for you. There are so many ways to start building passive income, and the good news is you don't need to be rich to begin. For example, you can invest in dividend-paying stocks, where companies share a portion of their profits with you. Or, if you're interested in real estate, renting out property can provide a steady income stream. Another option is creating digital products, like an ebook or an online course. Once it's made, people can purchase it over and over without any extra work on your part. And let's not forget affiliate marketing, where you earn commissions by recommending products or services you already love. The key is to start small and choose something that fits your interests and skills. Over time, even a modest stream of passive income can grow into something that makes a big difference. And remember, every dollar of passive income you earn brings you one step closer to financial freedom. Step 5. Automate and optimize. Managing your money doesn't have to be time-consuming or stressful. That's where automation comes in. By automating key parts of your finances, you can stay on track with your roadmap without having to think about it every day. Start by automating your savings. Set up automatic transfers from your checking account to your savings account every time you get paid. Even small amounts, like $50 a month, can add up over time. Next, automate your investments. Many platforms allow you to schedule regular contributions to your retirement accounts or other investment portfolios. Another smart move is automating your bill payments. Late fees can throw off your budget, so setting up automatic payments ensures everything is paid on time without any effort from you. Finally, look for ways to optimize your finances. Review your recurring expenses and subscriptions. Are there any you no longer need? Redirect that money toward your goals instead. Automation makes your financial plan almost effortless, so you can focus on the big picture while your system handles the details. It's like putting your financial freedom on autopilot. Step 6. Review and adjust. Regularly. Creating a roadmap to financial freedom is a great start, but life is constantly changing. That's why it's so important to review and adjust your plan regularly. Think of it like a tune-up for your finances. It keeps everything running smoothly. Set aside time every 3 to 6 months to check in on your progress. Are you hitting your savings goals? Are there any unexpected expenses or changes in your income that you need to account for? This is also a great opportunity to celebrate your wins, no matter how small. If something isn't working, don't worry. That's normal. Adjust your budget, tweak your goals, or explore new income opportunities. The key is staying flexible and making sure your plan evolves as your life does. Remember, financial freedom is a journey, not a destination. Regularly reviewing and adjusting your roadmap ensures you stay on track even when life throws you a curveball. Every small step forward brings you closer to the life you want to live. And there you have it, your complete roadmap to financial freedom. By understanding your finances, setting clear goals, budgeting wisely, building passive income, automating your system, and reviewing regularly, you're setting yourself up for long-term success. Now it's your turn. What's the first step you're going to take toward financial freedom? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear about your journey. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and share it with someone who could use this roadmap too. And of course, subscribe for more tips and strategies to help you take control of your finances and your future. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.